Here's a GRE algebra question. Let's take a look. A certain train is traveling at a constant rate. If the train travels s miles in t hours, in how many hours will it take the train to travel y miles? And then we have these answer options right here that are all in terms of s, y, and t. Whoa. Well, if you're very fluent in algebra, you can go ahead and just set this up in an algebraic formula and figure it out. But for the rest of us normies, what I would suggest doing is picking your own numbers. And the reason we're allowed to do that is because these variables are in the question here, but they're also in the answer options, right? And so what that means is that if we pick values and answer this question, then the same value should give us the answer when we plug them into the answer option. I'll show you what I mean here. So let's take a look at this problem. The train travels s miles in t hours. I'm just going to decide that s equals 100, so 100 miles in, why don't I say 2 hours? The train travels 100 miles in 2 hours. So mentally I might say, okay, great, that's 50 miles per hour. 100 miles every 2 hours. Okay, how many hours will it take the train to travel y miles? Well, once again, let's just make up a number for y. Why don't we say that y is 500? How long will it take the train to go 500 miles? Well, if I'm going 50 miles an hour, it's going to take me 10 hours to go 500 miles. So this is very important. The answer to this question with these numbers that we picked is 10. If we plug these numbers into the answer options, the one that gives us 10 is going to be the correct one. So let's take a look. We'll start with answer option A here. S times y divided by t. So 100 times 500, 50,000, divided by 2, I don't think so, right? That's not 10. S times t, that's 100 times 2, 200 divided by 500 is not 10, right? T times y, 2 times 500 is 1,000, divided by 100, well, that is 10. Let's double check these last two just to make super sure, right? S, that's 100 divided by 2 times 500, 100 divided by 1,000, no. And S plus y, 600 divided by 2, also no. So the correct answer here is C. For more GRE tips and tricks, or to sign up for my full online course, follow the link on my profile.